1042 Gregory John Court in Indian Land, South Carolina. This is the very popular Gray Myst floor plan. It's a patio home in Sun City, which is an over 55 active adult community. The kitchen has granite, beautiful stainless steel appliances. There's a pantry, laundry closet, the door to the two-car attached garage, a bay window. It's a very nice entryway into the living area. Like I said, the Gray Myst floor plan is 1,392 square feet. Has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The master bedroom is located at the back of the home, overlooking the backyard. This particular home has tile floors, dual vanities, and a very large zero entry walk-in shower with nice tile accents. Huge walk-in closet in the master. And then on the other side of the house is the second bedroom. Lots of privacy. The bedrooms are separated. There's a full bath. The second bedroom, which also has a generous sized closet. One of the most popular features of the Gray Myst floor plan is this office, reading room, hobby room, sunroom. This one has a ceiling fan and glass French doors. Let's go take a look at the outdoors. The HOA fees in Sun City are $275 a month, and that includes your exterior lawn maintenance. This home has an irrigation system. And a very nice outdoor seating area to enjoy the sunsets in the afternoon. So 1042 Gregory John Court. It's 1,392 square feet. The Gray Myst floor plan listed at $279,900. It's a very comfortable patio home in Sun City, which is in Indian Land, South Carolina. Minutes to Charlotte and all the shopping, doctor's offices. Thank you for joining us today. This is Allison Keller with Keller Williams. You can reach me at 704-236-1208 for any additional questions and details. Thanks for joining us.